Welcome to Akhand Vidyashram, the first unit of impeccable wisdom. Let's make a real difference on the videos. Today we are going to talk about 12 zodiac signs or 12 Rashis. We all know there are 12 Rashis and 12 months carry that 12 Rashis. I'm not going to details of that, but I'm bringing one point which you can see right at the bottom, the 7 heavens of 12 constellations of our solar system. Are you surprised? Let me tell you, the 7 centers of zodiac signs are Rashis. Are you really surprised at the statement? Because everybody is talking about 12 and I'm talking about 7 centers. I'm not talking about 12. As I told you, I'm a mathematician. I look at mathematics in everything in detail so that we can bring the science in divine mathematics as seen by the entire world, the universal consciousness. Now let us explore and find the truth whether there are 7 centers or there are 12 centers of zodiac sign. Big question mark for anyone who would like to think about universal consciousness with divine mathematics, which is a conclusive mathematics, science, physics, chemistry, biology, and other subjects. If you want to understand all the 64 arts and sciences, you got to be a mathematician. You got to be divine mathematician, not the man-made mathematician which the world is talking about. Now I am coming to see those things which can increase your IQ level. Intelligence coefficient is discussed, are designed, are developed based on certain patterns in a design, in a symbolic language or mathematical design. People who can see those patterns, another thing, have a higher IQ. Albert Einstein was considered as one of the greatest scientists of the world 100 years back, maintained that for so many years, but people have challenged that even his concept, a Nobel laureate, is defective. I'm not going to get into details of that. We are going to start an impeccable wisdom of divine mathematics for purest, truthful, honest physics, chemistry, biology, and 64 arts. From that, let's go on to the picture. Next picture. These are the 12 zodiac signs and 12 Rashis. Here I am bringing the Indian concept and the zodiac both together. Let's start on the first thing. Number 1 is Mesh, which is Indian concept, and zodiac is Aries, and the planet which is connected with is Mars. Please remember Mesh, Aries, Mars, Mangal, and the symbol, if you look at it, it's a male symbol. That's one thing. Let's clear. Mesh and Aries are one, which is actually March end and April. Let's start from that concept. Then Vrishva is a Hindi concept, Rashis. It is with Taurus and it is connected with Venus, which is a female planet, male and female planet as such. Then third comes Mithuna, which in zodiac it is Gemini, and it is with Mercury. And you look at the symbol, is hermaphrodite. It's neither male nor female as such. You have seen three: male, female, hermaphrodite. Fourth is Karkata in Rashi and Cancer in zodiac, and it is associated with moon, Monday, moon, Chandar. You can see the Chandar at the same time. Fifth is Simha, which is associated with Leo, and it is with sun. You can see the sun symbol. Now 5 we have done it. Now I come to the sixth stage is Kanya. Kanya means female. It's again Virgo. Then it is a Mercury, which is again hermaphrodite. That means Kanya is the one who has neither become a male or female. It's a hermaphrodite. It has got both the concept, not emerged as such. Amazing. Then come to 7 is Tula. It's Libra. It's Venus. When we come to the Venus, we become again male concept. Many people might call it female, but I know it's a female only. Venus is a female, not a male. Then Vrishka is Scorpio, which March, which is male. Again, there is concurrence. Then ninth is Dhanu Rashi. You can see that Sagittarius. You can see the bow and arrow, and it's connected with Jupiter, which is the intelligence thing, and the symbol is into intelligence. Again, very interesting. Then 10th is Makara Rasi, which is considered Capricorn. It is associated with Saturn, and the symbol you can see is a different symbol altogether. It's neither male or female. It's completely different. Then 11th is Kumbhaka, Aquarius, and planet is Saturn, and the same symbol. 12. Meena is Pisces, is connected with Jupiter, and you can see the intelligence. So Pisces and Sagittarius both are with Jupiter. Now, did you notice a certain thing? There are only 7 heavenly bodies which are connected with. Let's start with the Sun, first one, then Moon, the second one, then comes Mars, and then comes, you can say, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Only 7 days are connected with 7 days. That is exactly what I meant when I said 7 heavens connected with 12 Rashis or 12 zodiacs. There is no 8th at all. That means all the 7 days, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday are the only ones which are there actually in 12 zodiac signs and 12 Rashis. There is nothing other than that. Somewhere we come to the very 7 heavens, and I would call 7 heavens which we always talk about are hidden in this particular thing. I am sure you would have really found it quite different from what you have used to it. Now let's move on to the next stage. Now, see this particular picture. Is very symbolic which I used it. You can see the sun in the middle. You can see moon on top. But remaining 5 have 2 rashis. Sun and moon have got 1 whereas you can say Mars, Venus, Jupiter, and Mercury and Saturn have 2. 2 into 5 is 12, plus sun plus moon is 12. Now let's understand that also concept, for remember it for rest of our life. Because being a mathematician, I want concept to be understood completely. Unfortunately, I am a mathematician who has understood physics, chemistry, medical sciences, but I found all the knowledge defective because the concepts were never explained. Without explaining concept, you can't build on. You can't expect anybody and everybody to know how the concept has been designed. And I'm trying to now revive the whole mathematics, physics, chemistry, and medical sciences and other subjects with conceptual understanding of divine mathematics. And this is the picture very clearly on that. Now let's move on to the next stage. As I told you, the center is sun. It is Surya, it is Aditya, and there are 7 horses. And again, I'm bringing together 7 horses of Surya represent 7 divine mathematics, which is the solar system is designed. Once we understand these 7, only then we can move on to the next thing. The next few videos are going to be only on 7. Navagraha, also I talked about 7. Rashis, also 7. And thereafter 7, 7, 7, how it is done, we are going to work on that till we understand 7 completely. Now come to the question as first, Sun, Surya. As you can see, is a core 1 zodiac sign and Rashi. And the Rashi is Leo. You can see that Leo very clearly. Right on top is Leo, then Sun, and I have put a symbol of Leo, Simha again, lion, and it is Sim. See, west and east for once completely agree on that part. And down you can see sun. So now you're very clear. One concept, only one Leo, Simha, sun is very clear. Let's start one number one. Now, second one, we are going to go about moon, Chandra, and Monday, Sunday to Monday. It's a close associate of Mother Earth, and it is attached to the Mother because of gravity itself. If the Earth has a gravity of 1, the Moon has gravity of 1 by 6 times. Is also something to be remembered. So there is one zodiac sign, one Rashi, and that is Cancer. Now you can see the picture on top from the one which I think is a Cancer, is a single, and you can see the Cancer symbol also on the moon, and you can see moon on top. So now very clear, sun and moon have one alone, and 2 days of the week we have done. Sunday and Monday is over. So we can go on to the next one, which is Tuesday. And Tuesday is connected with Mars. Mars is a Mangal. But in this, you have two zodiac signs and two Rashis. One is Aries, another is Scorpio. As I told you in the beginning itself, Aries is the end of March to April. I fit into that particular concept as far as zodiac sign is concerned. But in this picture, you can see Scorpio on the right side and Aries on one side, and this is what it is as far as Mars is concerned. And similarly, down you can see very clearly the picture of Mars itself. So we have finished Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Now we are going to come to the third stage of Mercury or Wednesday or Buddhan intelligence. Two zodiac signs and two Rashis. You can see in the picture very clearly this is Mercury, and you have Gemini on the left side and Virgo on the other side. In Gemini has got male and female, and Virgo is also male and female. So it's very interesting that way. And you can see light, and it is hermaphrodite. Very, very clear. It's neither male nor female. It is duality. Now they come to the question of next stage. Is Jupiter a Thursday, a Guruvar, at Ravivar, Mangalvar? Then we have come to Guruvar. Now there's two zodiac signs and two Rashis. You have Pisces and Sagittarius. Pisces means fish. You can see two fish on the left side, and you can see Sagittarius on the right side with a bow and arrow. You can see the two planets with Jupiter as such, which is intelligence, and right at bottom you can see Jupiter, which is Brahaspati or Guru, or the one who teaches the world of divine mathematics one by one. Now come to the next stage. Is it Friday or the Venus or Shukra? We know very well this particular symbol has two signs and two rashis. Libra on one side, which is balance, and Taurus on the other side, which are more or less the power of energy. You have the female energy by and large, or the male energy by and large. You can two see planets, you can see Shukra, and these are the two. Now come to the question of the next stage. You have Saturday and you have Shani, and it is two zodiac signs and is Aquarius, Capricorn. You can see left side Aquarius, right side this, and you two, and you can see the same Saturn by and large. So conclusion by and large comes to this is that 12 Rashis are there. There are 12 months are there. It starts from first one from say March again to March, whichever way. Let's not go into details of that particular detailed dating as such. And it is, and I'm not going to the phonetics things. I'm not going to that. As I told you, I'm trying to make it to a smaller thing so that take one concept, understand. So concept is very clear. As in Navagraha, there are 9 planets, but there are 7 days. It's a 12 zodiac signs, and there are only 7 days. And 12 into 9 is 108, is also on 7 days. You are going to see that as we move on. But one, this is very clear that there are only 7 concepts. That means heavenly elements are only 7. And when think of the heavenly elements, it starts with Sun, Moon, and then Mars, then you have Mercury, then you have Jupiter, this. In other words, the most important things which have an effect on the human consciousness or life on Earth is Sun, Mercury, Venus, Moon, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn only. Let's that be very clear. If that is understood, I think we have understood why 12 Rashis have important days, but they center around 7 alone. Let this be. Now next you will go on to move smaller thereafter one by one. Now coming to the last stage, all those people talk of 7 planets. When I talk of 7 planets, these are the 7 planets which have association directly. Colors of light are also 7. And there are Earth is made of 7 parts. Antriksh is made of 7 parts. Heaven is made of 7 parts. 7 is the most important divine mathematical number I have told very clearly from the very beginning. That is the reason divine mathematics starts from 0. The first thing which emerges is 1. But the one we start dividing is 1 by 3 or 1 by 5 or 1 by 7 or 1 by 9. But 1 by 7 is equivalent to 0.142857 only. Restrict ourselves to a very limited, precise, concise, most approximate decimal values is again something which I am bringing it very clearly. Man-made mathematics have given too many numbers and we call it infinity. Actually, it's confusing. For that matter, golden ratio 1.618 is right, or 1.61803397 long. Both are defective. The perfect is 1.618034 only. This is a precision which I am bringing. So 1 by 7 is 1.42857 only. Similarly, 2 by 7 should be 3.142857 only. Now bringing the precision which cannot be disputed at all. And I think for that day, this is enough for the day. Thank you very, very much.